3, 2,
Nanobabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check
Guys,
out.
for today's vlog, we are very happy and excited to introduce to you this newly opened tourist spot dito po sa SM City Clark, and this is...
Skyline SMC Clark. So where we meet, eat, and play.
Guys, samahan niyo po kami. We want to show you a lot of things in this event. Let's go!
So one of the attraction dito sa my Skyline SM Clark is yung kanilang mini croquette. This you could play yung para mga mini golf nila. Okay, siyempre sa mga dancers naman, meron din space sa kanila. Check this out, yun sa likod ko. Ayan, no? So you could have some showdown and enjoy lang yung moment. So syempre, as a family, mayroon din mga places yung mga pambata. They could play here and they could have fun dito sa may Skyline, SM City Clark. Siyempre kasama natin sina Exploring Pampanga and Pampanga Good News. Alright.
And I'm so happy to see everyone. Even if it's raining, I see all the smiles of an AM.
3, 2,
Jericho is in the house. How are you, man?
Solid, mainit yung panahon. Basta kami pero enjoy po, napaka-solid ng opening. Wow.
Right.
It's been a long time. Nanobabo Kabalen, paano mo na ito?
Hey, brother. So this is another place na pupuntahan nyo dito sa Skyline SM City Clark. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out, man.